there are two school of thoughts. Whether or not carbo loading baka 3 days before the fight or delay. To be specific, si Chongsi, he is not a believer of carbo loading. And to many, believers sa carbo loading. Now, unahon di ka Idol Job, believer ka ba carbo loading?
Dili.
Dili. On what reason?
Ang manok good kadyot rag away. So in theory ni ha.
Sino bitaw?
Kadyot rag away. Unya ang carbolod is mo magamit na nimo kung when the reserves are out ba. Wala na kay energy lip, so katong imong giload mo na to. So more or less according sa libro sa kuha na tong nabasahan ngan mo kick in na nag 3 minutes. 3 minutes after